Just going to walk around the 1985 M151a2 MUTT. This one's fully restored, and it does have the full canvas enclosure. It's brand new, all of the framing for it and everything. Tires were 2014 stamped on them. Got the matching spare. She cruises all day long at about 55. Start hitting 60, you're pushing it a bit. 24 volt. All the lights, gauges, turn signals are fully functional. Does have upgraded LED lights in it, and when you turn on the shadow lights so the enemy can't see you, you got the little shadow lights that are set up in each of the running light turn signals, as well as right here, just to shine in front of you slightly. And the switching is available, so you could turn on just the front lights or just the rear tail lights, or nothing at all. Does have the original foot starter switch. It's just a matter of turning on the battery, as you saw in the cold start, and hitting press in the clutch and hit the foot switch at the same time. And as I mentioned, turn signals fully functional. All the gauges are working. There was a new wiper motor installed. 39,568 miles on it. Dash lights all work. 4-speed transmission. 4-wheel drive. This rear view mirror was replaced, but you can see the mirror in it cracked. All the canvas and everything was replaced on the seats. We'll get some shots with the top on it also. And you can see there's been a little bit of repair work done. Some glass here. We got the jerry can. It does have the PTO drive out the rear, or if the front end goes out on these, you can actually take that rear diff out and hook it into the front. A bit more glass work right on here. I did an undercarriage video too, so you can see the underside, but she's in really good condition. You can see a little bit of deterioration here in the floor, but it's just spotty. A couple little spots right here. Otherwise, it's solid. 24 volt, I think I mentioned. New fuel filter. Take a look under the hood. If you are exposed to nuclear blast chemicals, then you need to contact personnel to clean that out for you. 4-cylinder, completely waterproof. Does have the snorkel attachment that would come out the side of the hood. Doesn't have the snorkel, I should say, the size of that generator. But all of the seals were replaced in the motor. Front and rear main seals. All the seals on the valve cover and everywhere else on the engine. New fuel pump, new radiator, hoses, belts, all of that done within the restoration process. So she's a clean one. And you want a real Jeep, that's it. But let me know if I missed anything. You want to see some more, you know, I could go through all the different light switches here and the variances. Does have the choke with the throttle control, parking brake, which is functional, seat belts, One cool ass Jeep. Military. These originally came out the A2 towards the end of the Vietnam War, and then I think the year after this replaced by the Humvee. But I know there's experts out there that know these a lot better than I do. You can fill in the blanks. But let me know if I missed something, and I'll grab some more imaging for you.